Okay, Hannah, I'll see what you got. What'd you think of that, Al? Sure. It's already on.
Just gotta hold it. Don't touch anything. Okay, and I'm coming for you. In the hole. Yeah, I'm right next to you.
That's Hannah.
Oh, that's right. She moved your ball, didn't she? Okay.
I'm gonna go. I can win that.
Oh.
What the?
Hannah, over here, honey.
I'm back in my car.
Go ahead, Al. 3 for Al. Hannah's up next. 2 for Hannah. Who is she? Who are you?
Not me.
What?
Not me. Want me to
What do you
film
mean?
you?
Yeah, I'll hit this in. You can film. It's already on. Don't touch anything.
Okay. I'm gonna film on me.
Ready?
Yep.
Look it.
I'm filming Dad next time.
$5 did I make this?
Okay.
Ah, you owe me $5. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm not giving it to you.
We gotta wait, Al. Come on.
Ow. I just almost fell.
I'm filming us going off the path to the next hole.
Dad, stop being lame.
That?
Stop being lame.
I'm not lame. You alright over there? Hey, how much you love me? A lot. Hannah?
But it's not.
Okay.